What is ChatGPT, and how do you use it? The use of AI, artificial intelligence, in technology is evolving rapidly. A chatbot is a software application built to imitate human-like conversations. Based on user queries, the bot remembers and understands the thread of dialogues and applies previous questions and answers to convey its next question. The tools are knowledgeable, although they are not omniscient, they can become creative and authoritative. However, the maker of ChatGPT is cautious that only gives correct information sometimes. So trade with how does it work? According to OpenAI, the development of AI focuses on easy use. AI and machine learning train it, and the system is designed in such a fashion to render information based on question and answer with the help of a conversational interface. Can ChatGPT replace human beings? There has been wide speculation about whether it will replace humans, and whether the professionals dependent on content production will become obsolete. It consists of everything ranging from professors